How to log in to Epic Games account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Epic Games account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.epicgames.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Epic Games. Now to log in, tap on the person-like icon you see on top of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of Epic Games. Go ahead and enter your email address if you want to log in using your Epic Games email address. Or you can also simply log in using your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple, or Lego login credentials. I will log in using my email, so if you want to log in with email too, then enter your email address and tap on the continue button, and further enter your password and tap on the sign in button. Just in case, if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Your Password button too and recover your password. And with this, you will be successfully logged in to Epic Games account. So, this is how you can log in to Epic Games account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.